Can AI design a logo for me in 4 minutes? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Miss J, and I make learning AI tools and digital hacks simple, easy, and fun for everyone to use. The 4-minute challenge starts right now. Okay, so we're going to go to create. All right, we're going to come to logo right here. It's going to take a second to load. On the left here, they have some logo templates already. If you like any of these, you can just select one, change the words, change the color. You can match it to your brand, your business, or your product. But I'm just going to come up here to where it says describe your ideal design. And I'm going to go ahead and describe the kind of logo that I'm looking for. So I'm going to say create a logo for a YouTube channel called AI for Everyone. Include a tech element such as a light bulb or circuit. Also make my background yellow. All right, so next we just click generate design. It's going to think for a second and then finalize. And it's going to give us 4 choices. Okay, wow, I like that one. Let's see what else it comes up with. Oh, look at that. I like both of these at the bottom. I'm just going to select this one because I really love the way that cool light bulb looks. It gave me that background. I just want to add one more thing. So I'm going to see if it can replace the word 4 with the number 4. And then I'm going to just go ahead and generate design again. But I really like that one. AI sometimes does not spell everything correctly, but this time it did. So when that happens, you can like delete the background and then just choose the text overlay yourself. See how you get a different look here? It's not giving me the same exact thing, but it did do what I asked it to do. So let's go ahead and add a page, and then I'm going to come back over here and select this one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I would have liked the bulb to be on this side, but between these two, I'm going to choose the first one. So now, once you get one that you like, you're going to come up here and give it a title, AI for Everyone logo. Then you're just going to come over here to share, and we're going to say download. So if you don't uncheck this, it's going to save all the ones that you generated, but I only like the first one. So now we just have page 1. I'm going to say done and download. It's going to download it as a PNG. So that's it, guys. We just used Canva's logo design feature to create a logo for our business. Tell me which one of these logos you like best. This has been your AI 4-minute challenge. Come back tomorrow and subscribe to learn more.